Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, September 29, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, September 29, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng September 29, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, September 29, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for Sunday, September 29, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, September 29, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.